Hi, this is John Weber with New Use Energy. We're here today with our great golf cart offering. We have our 100 amp hour 48 volt and our 52 amp hour 48 volt unit. What I love about these is it's really about range based on the capacity. So if you want longer range, you want 30 miles out of your battery as you're going down with the golf cart, this is what it's going to get you. This one's going to get you about 20 miles, as reported from some of our partners down in LA who have deployed these in mostly work vehicles where they're bringing sand and other things like that. This is 30, and again, this is 20. Something that's going to make knowing how the system's working even easier, as we're very excited. We're going to be adding and have this small smart battery display. And just like all of our products, they do have Bluetooth as well. So through the Bluetooth app, you can see that we are measuring the same amount. Typically, when you have the vehicle under load or using it, this 490 hours will turn into something a little more useful. That's going to give you a really clear idea of how much distance and how much time you have left on your vehicle. So you're interested in learning a little bit more about how we can help you guys bring in these really high quality metal cased batteries to your golf cart, feel free to reach out to us at sales@newuseenergy.com, or head on over to www.newuseenergy.com. Check out our full lineup of products, including our portable power line solutions, and we're happy to help you out.